Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alex here, and I just want to make a short video about my preparations for the flight. So I just had food and now I'm having the dessert, and yeah, I'm gonna prepare for my Kuwait flight tonight. It's a very short flight, very nice flight, easy going. My phone is beeping constantly. So it's a short turnaround, and I'm just gonna show you how exactly I prepare for it and what are the things that I must do before each and every flight. So let's get started. So guys, the first thing I do before I start to, take a shower and everything is I write my flight details. Now that's very important. Why do I do that? Because it's good to be prepared while you walk in the briefing room. So we walk in the briefing room before we go to each and every flight. And for the briefing, I must prepare a little bit, like where I'm flying to, what's the airport name, what aircraft I'm flying, how many doors has the aircraft, and so on and so forth. And a few other things like what's the name of our crew. And of course, I must know exactly when is the briefing and when is the flight taking off, obviously. So okay, the next thing is all about the bag. So this is my Etihad crew bag, and I must make sure that I have everything inside, like spare uniform, my documents, and so on and so forth. So I have to make sure that I have everything for this short flight. It's not a long flight, it's not a layover. So that basically means that I don't have to carry much stuff with me. So this little bag, a cabin bag, will do. Spare shirt comes always in hand, guys, always. And of course important documents like passport and so on, it's a must for this cabin bag. Anyway guys, I like to have everything prepared in my suitcase at all times. For example, I'll put even extra white shirt and all of that stuff. So for me, I like to be prepared as much as possible. I'll put a couple of skin products as well, just to have my face moisturized in flight. I have a video talking about that subject. But anyway, now that I have my suitcase ready and I have my flight details on point, I will start taking a shower, I will start shaving and, basically preparing myself for the job.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, now after I shaved, I usually go and dry my hair. My hair is still wet because of the shower, so yeah. Some cream applying. Let's see. All right, nice and easy, right? Not too bad, not too bad. All right. Next step, obviously, the uniforms. Yes, now we have to take the uniforms on. I put my tie, hopefully I put it properly, and of course the watch shouldn't miss at any time. Alright, now that I have my uniform on, I will go back to the bathroom, apply some moisturizer and brush my teeth. I always want to brush my teeth before the flights. I want to be as fresh as possible, right? Moisturized, brush the teeth, a perfume, so everything has to be on point. That's how I roll, that's how I like it to be. It's important to have a proper hygiene. Alright, brushing teeth and moisturizing complete. Now I'll have some perfume. Of course, must apply perfume before the flight. 2 puffs on the uniform and 2 puffs on my neck. So yeah, that concludes it. Alright, everything is completed. I got my last piece of the puzzle as well, which is the mask. I cannot go without the mask. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Please remember to subscribe for more videos and so on and so forth. Leave a like, helps with the algorithm, and I really hope you enjoyed the video. I really hope you enjoyed the video and it was useful to get a glimpse of what's happening here, just what I do before my flight. Thank you again. See ya.